Hello, in this short lecture I will talk about gravity. Gravity is a phenomenon in which bodies with mass and energy are attracted to each other. According to general relativity, gravity is a result of the curvature of space-time, and actually bodies with mass and or energy distort space and time. According to Newton, gravity is an attractive force between masses, and the force of gravity is proportional to the product of the masses of the bodies divided by the square of the distance between them. Another concept of gravity is that gravity is the weakest force of the four fundamental forces that are the strong force that binds the protons together in the nucleus of the atom, the electromagnetic force that explains how charged particles interact with each other, and the weak force that is responsible for the radioactive decay of atoms. Okay, thank you very much.